What's in the box? All right, so we are gonna be replacing my floor mats on my Jeep with this new ones from Lasfit. Lasfit was kind enough to send over a set of their floor mats for me to try out. Basically, we're just unboxing it today and installing it into the Jeep, which will be really quick. And then I'll show you guys how the old floor mats look like and how the new ones look like. So we're just gonna be opening it up. All right, here. Rid of the box. All right. This one, I believe this might be for the passenger one. I'm pretty sure. This is the driver one. I think this is the oh no, this is the passenger one. I think this is the driver one, so this is how it looks like. Well, it looks pretty good actually. And then this is gonna be in the rear. What I'm gonna do right now is actually take out the old ones and then compare both of them together. All right, so we're just gonna be replacing these old ones right here, and then we're gonna compare them. I'll do that really quickly. All right, just took out the last one, which is the rear. Okay, we're gonna compare them right now. So actually, since I got the rear here, this aside, just gonna compare the quality wise. I mean, the OEM ones aren't too bad quality wise, but just having the feel for this one, it's new, and the flaps here seems like it's gonna be a lot better than the current one that I have right now. So let's just look at the quality here. So if you look at the difference, a little bit wider, and locations are about the same as well too, of where the holes are going to be. Let's compare the other one. A little bit of dust in here. This is the, I believe this is the passenger one. This is the driver one. Like I'd say, quality wise, right now, since this has been used, it's a bit flimsy compared to this one. It's a bit sturdier, a bit more heavy duty actually. We're just gonna replace it really quickly and test it out in a few of my other trips that are coming up soon. All right, so we're just gonna install the front one first. Pretty easy. You're just gonna snap it on. So I'm gonna slide it through here on the floor, find a hole portion here, you can see there, and just pop it on. And then the same thing on this side, pop it on. Looks pretty good. We're just gonna snap on the same thing again. Just gonna clip these on to the floor here. So we're gonna slide it through. So slide it through. All right, so I'm gonna snap it on here, one, another one here, two. Right there. All right, now we're just gonna put the back. Oh, almost hit my face there. All right, so if you look here, there's actually a place where you can snap on the floor mat. So we're here, same thing. Just gonna snap it on here. Oh. There you go, all snapped on. This flap, I believe, is supposed to go through here, kind of hide onto the back, but I might have to mold it a little bit more eventually. So it's supposed to look like that for this portion right here. Hopefully it stays, and then we're just gonna move on to the other side. Same thing on this side. There is a place where you can snap it on. Snapped onto that portion. There you go. Once you hear that, it's connected to the floor. Same thing on this side. I think it's just gonna mold onto it, and we're there. Like I said, I can't wait to actually test it out, you know, see how it feels on road, but so far it's looking good. All right, that will do it for the video, guys. Thank you again to Lasfit for hooking it up with these floor mats. Can't wait to test it out, and I'll give you guys more of a review on it. But for now, we just did that unboxing and kind of show you guys how to install it, which is the easiest way to do it. Anyways, that'll do it for this video. If you guys liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so, please subscribe to the channel. Also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. Until next time, guys, like always, stay awesome.